Students, we have seen the changes which should be made in the tense of the direct speech. Now we are moving towards the question sentences. First of all, there are two types of question sentences: closed-ended and open-ended question. Question which can be answered in just yes or no are closed-ended questions. Like, do you like mango? You can answer this question in just yes or no. These are known as closed-ended question. And the second type of question is open-ended question. The questions which cannot be answered with yes or no. For example, where do you live? Can you answer this question in yes or no? No, you can't. You have to tell the thorough address of your living. So these are open and closed question. Now we will study the changes accordingly, that what kind of changes will be made while converting question sentence into indirect speech. The basic rules for converting direct speech into indirect speech of question sentences are: first of all, commas, or we can say inverted comma, will be removed. The comma which is after the said and the inverted comma in which the actual words of the speaker are enclosed will be removed. The second is the conjunction that will not be used in indirect speech. हमने पहले पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस जितने भी चेंज किए तो उन सब में दोनों सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए, दोनों कंपोनेंट्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए हमने एक कंजंक्शन दैट को यूज किया, लेकिन क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस में हम दैट को यूज नहीं करेंगे. दैट सिर्फ सारे के सारे पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस के लिए यूज होता है. In indirect speech, the question sentence will be expressed in assertive form. जब indirect speech में एक question को convert करेंगे तो question mark जो है वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. वो question mark क्यों ख़त्म होगा? क्योंकि now वो question एक statement बन चुका है. वो अभी वो एक question नहीं रहा, वो एक statement बन चुका है. इसलिए हम जब question sentence को indirect में change करेंगे तो question mark नहीं लगाएंगे. The verb such as, says or tell in direct speech is replaced with the verb such as, ask or inquire. ऐसे verb जैसे कि say और tell, said, इसको ask और inquire में convert कर दिया जाएगा. Now let's see, students, how we can change the closed-ended question into indirect speech, or we can say the question that can be answered with just yes or no. To make indirect speech of such question or closed question, the word if or whether will be used in place of that. लेकिन ये हमारी चॉइस है कि हम if यूज करते हैं या whether यूज करते हैं. For example, he said to me, will you help me? Now this is the closed-ended question. You can answer this question in just yes or no. But when you convert this question into indirect speech, it will become, he asked me if I would help him. Now, there is no need to put that, we can say, to join these two sentences. Keep in mind, those questions which are closed-ended, you have to use if or whether. Taken another example, she said to me, can I use your phone? She asked me if she could use my phone. Now coming towards the second type of the question, that is open-ended question. And open-ended questions are those questions which cannot be answered in just yes or no. To make indirect speech of such questions, the word if or whether will not be used. आपने ये बात याद रखनी है कि if और whether सिर्फ आपने क्लोज एंडेड क्वेश्चन में यूज करना है. जब ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे, और ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन मोस्टली WH क्वेश्चन होते हैं, व्हाट, वेयर, हाउ, व्हेन, ये क्वेश्चन हम इनको ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन कहते हैं जो इन वर्ड से स्टार्ट होते हैं. इसमें जब कनेक्शन के लिए हम कोई वर्ड यूज नहीं करेंगे, हमें किसी वर्ड की जरूरत नहीं है, हम एज इट इज उस क्वेश्चन को असर्टिव फॉर्म में, डिक्लेरेटिव फॉर्म में लिख देंगे. नाउ यू कैन सी द एग्जांपल, ही सेड टू मी व्हाट आर यू डूइंग. When we convert this question into indirect speech, we will use the verb he asked. He asked me what I was doing, but you have to pull a full stop. But you have to put a full stop at the end of this statement. Because now अब ये क्वेश्चन नहीं रहा, अब ये एक स्टेटमेंट बन चुकी है, इसलिए हमें क्वेश्चन मार्क की जरूरत नहीं है. Take another example. Adnan said to me, how are you? Adnan asked me how I was. सो स्टूडेंट, ये थी वो चेंजेस जो हम क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस में करते हैं. आई होप आपने अंडरस्टैंड की होंगी. चलिए हम इसी टॉपिक के रिलेटेड अगला सेक्शन स्टार्ट करते हैं, विच इज़ अबाउट द चेंजेस इन इंपेरेटिव एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस.